Welcome back to Ema's Nail Box. What we're going to do today is, it is Amazon Saturday deals. And what we have here is, let me zoom out a little bit so you can see it. It's a Melody Susie all-in-one nail kit. Now, I found this on Amazon earlier this week, and it was a kit listed for $37.99, and it was 47% off, so that was $19.99. And then I used some credit card rewards, so it was even less than that. So what we're going to do is open up this box and take a look at what's in this kit. And I know there are polishes in here, so we will be doing some swatching. But it's a cute little all-in-one kit for $19.99. The gels alone are probably worth more than that. So here's what we get. We get a swatch ring, and there is this, let's move the box off to the side. There is this really cute little I believe it's a full powered miniature lamp. You can cure 4 fingers in there, I would think. It's not a full powered lamp. There's only that many bulbs on this. So this is a 6 watt. So yeah, I wouldn't consider that a full powered lamp, but it's a cute little lamp. So it comes with that little lamp, and we have 8 gels. We have 8, and these are the 10 ml bottles. Let me move that out of the way, and let's zoom out a little bit more. So we have 8 10 ml bottles, and these all appear to be in fall colors. And again, all of this was $19.99. I still think, especially for Melody Susie, that's a really good deal. And when I checked this morning, this was still $19.99. What was different was they no longer listed it as a limited time deal at 47% off. It just appears that the regular price is $19.99. So, marketing at its finest, I don't know. I still think it's a very good deal. So it comes with a base coat, and this is plant-based. It comes with a plant-based top coat. I wonder if it smells good. Nope, it doesn't have the smell. Let's check the base coat. The base coat does have a plant-based smell, you know, the perfumey smell. And then it comes with a builder gel that is HEMA-free. Plant-based. I'm not sure if the base and the top coat are HEMA-free, but the builder gel is. Uh-oh, my camera. Got too many things in the way. Focus. Let's take a look at the viscosity of this. Not a super thick base coat. I mean a builder gel, but it's a builder gel. And then let's see what else is in the box here. We have 2 100/180 grit nail files. And there's got to be more in your normal. There's a charger for there's a power cord for the lamp. And what's in here? I'm going to get this box out of the way. So what we have here are some nail tools, and we have some stickers. We'll take a look at that in a minute. We have some tweezers. I'll need tweezers to get the tweezers out. Tweezers. Let's see what these are like. They're okay. They're not super sharp, but they're tweezers. And then we have a cuticle tool that has the little scraper on the end. I like this. And then we have some nippers. Oh, the nippers are nice. These are nice nippers. They will need nipper covers on them though, because those handles are real, they slip out of my hands. And we have another cuticle tool. So we have a little spatula type cuticle pusher, and this cuticle tool, which I have managed to cut myself with this many times, but it is nice. Okay, that is pretty cool. We also have some stickers. Oops, I knocked over one of the bottles. Well, we got a few sheets of stickers in here. We have some, lips and heels and lipstick and little purses. That's a cute set of stickers. And then we have some red Valentine's type designs, and I need a white card. Let's do this. Let's put it on this and see if it'll focus on that. There we go. So those are cute stickers. And then we also have these pink and white stars. Looks like several different types of stars. And then we have two French tip stickers. We have this black one and we have this blue one. So there you go. Not a bad deal. $19.99. The gels alone would run $19.99 on Amazon. You get the tools, the files, that little mini lamp, probably only good for flash curing. Yeah, I'm not sure about that, but I might just put that up for the older granddaughters. I know that at some point, I know my oldest granddaughter, Delaney, is very interested in learning to do her own nails or her own press-on nails. So that might be something I put up for her and teach her how to use properly. I love these files. These are my favorite, and I love these gels. So I'm going to pick up my mat. I'm going to get a swatcher out, and we're going to take a look at these colors that came in this kit. Okay, we're back, and we have all 2, 4, 6, 8 of these gels ready to swatch. Before we get started on this, I wanted to bring up my very first Saturday Amazon deal, which was an Azure Beauty collection, and it was those very pretty neon colors, and they were $6.99. And a few days after that video published, the price went up to $13.99. So I checked this morning, and if you didn't get to take advantage of that deal, they have that same collection for $7.99, and I'll leave the link to that in the description box. I will also leave the link to this kit in the description box because I didn't see this in any of my searches. I went to the Melody Susie store on Amazon, and that's how I found this deal. So sometimes it pays to really dig around in Amazon a little bit. Okay, so the first color we're going to look at is B7401. These all seem to be tans and browns, which is perfect for fall. Let's move up. And, oh, that's pretty. I like that color. This is a very pretty cream. It's darker than cream, but gorgeous. And I love these. I'm a huge fan of these plant-based gels. B7403. Looks to be more of a taupey color. And these are pretty opaque. I'm not seeing a need for a second coat here, but we'll see as we move on. B7801, and this appears to be a chocolate brown. Oh no, it's got more of a red tint to it. It is. This is not chocolate brown at all. I hate when those dots are so far off. This is a gorgeous maroon color, burgundy. Very nice. I just stuck my finger in that. Yep, I know. I know. Ema's in a hurry, didn't put her gloves on. It is currently Friday night. We have a birthday party to go to tomorrow. So I'm trying to get this filmed, edited, and uploaded on Friday night because I don't want to miss my Saturday Amazon deal. I'm fixing my finger smudge here. That's pretty. I really like that color. I would have thought that was chocolate brown. Look at that. That looks like chocolate brown to me. Okay, next we have B7201. It looks brown, but what kind of color is it really? It looks like a dark brown to me. Now that's a chocolate brown. That's a dark chocolate brown. Definitely a chocolate color. Perfect for fall. And then we have B7201. No, 7202. My bad. No clue what color that's going to be. It's going to be a brown. And it's more of a caramel color. Oh, these are all very pretty fall colors. And B7203, again, it's a brown dot, okay? I'm not even going to take a guess. It's a milk chocolate. I love all these browns. I don't have a lot of opaque brown colors, so this is a great deal for me. And B7204, it's a lighter brown. Okay, we only have two more, so I'm gonna not tempt fate. It is another light brown. I do like these colors. And last we have B7205. Looks like a chocolate brown to me. You can't even see that number, it's so dark. Let's see what it looks like. Yep, it's brown. It's brown, brown, and more brown. It looks like it's just a lighter shade of that one with less of a red tint to it. Wow. I really like, especially that color. I really like that color. Okay, I'm going to get these in the lamp, do a second coat, and we will take a final look at these. Okay, here we are. And we have the final swatchers. And these are gorgeous fall colors. I'm not unhappy with this color selection. With fall coming up, so many things you can do with this. I have fuzzies. I have fuzzies on my swatchers. I'm very happy with these colors, and I can definitely see some use for these in the fall. So let me know what you guys think. I will leave the link in the description box, and Again, this is a Melody Susie all-in-one nail kit. I don't know how I feel about that flash cure lamp, but what a great gift idea if you have a friend or a teenager that's wanting to get into something like this. I don't think it's a bad deal at all. $19.99 for this. So that's my Amazon deal, Saturday deal on a Friday night. So with that being said, hubby suggested that because it was such a good deal, that I get two. And if you're unable to get in on this deal right now due to cost, due to, you know, you miss the deal, they disappear, they sell out, I got one for you guys. So you can thank hubby for this one. Yes, we're doing another giveaway. So if you're interested in this, leave a comment below. Simply leave giveaway with a heart in any color of your choice, and I'll be drawing for this kit on Thursday the 27th. Wait, today's the 21st. Yeah, 27th. On Thursday the 27th. Gosh, you guys, it's Friday. I had to adult all week. I'm tired. I'm very happy to be sharing this outstanding deal with one of you. So with that, this will be the end of this video. It's a short one. I just wanted to share this deal with you and get it out same day. It's now Friday night, August 21st. I'm going to try to get this edited and posted tonight. If not, it will be first thing tomorrow morning. And I will leave in the description box if this deal is still available. There were also a couple of plant-based, sweet scent plant-based polish kits. I think they were 6-piece sets, 6 or 8-piece, that were in 2 different color series that were on sale for $12. I'm going to leave the links to those two also in the description box, and cross your fingers that they're still available at that price, either tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. But we're going to give it a try. And again, if you want to enter the giveaway for this all-in-one nail kit, leave a comment below. First of all, you must be subscribed. Leave a comment below simply stating giveaway with a heart. And I'll draw the winners on August 27th. So thank you all for being here. I appreciate you all so, so much. You can thank hubby for this giveaway idea. And we love you so much. That'll do it for this video. Marcus, Delaney, Alexis, Dawson, Lydia, Cassie, Noah, and Arlo, we love you so, so much. See you next time.
Thank you for watching our email.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when she posts.
See you next time.